Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life.
Lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause what can we feel? But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and
Yeah, guys, I'm back to the gym. So guys, it feels so good to be back to the gym. So I'll see you guys later.
so turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
So guys, yeah, we are done with today's workout, and it went so well. Like, I didn't really like do too much because it's the first day, like it's my first day back to the gym after about 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's since March, and we're already in June now. Yeah, I think so. So I'm just taking it slow, like little by little, even though I do work out sometimes at home, but guys, it's not the same thing, you know. So guys, I'll see you when I get home, and I feel good, I feel energized. So I'll see you guys later. There's Nathan. You're there? Yeah. Oh, look at Nathan. Oh. I don't know his friend's name. Bravo, Nene. Look at Nathan. Can say hello. The Coco Papa. Ali, let's go. Ali, be careful. Be careful, yeah, because your hand is wet. Yes, so you have to be careful. baby cuckoo. Yeah, people are relaxing there. The weather is out. They are just relaxing under the tree. They are even sleeping. So guys, I went to go and pick Nathan now. I'm hungry. Like, I've not eaten lunch. I was hungry when I came back from the gym. I just took my bath and I was busy because I uploaded a video today that
Mommy,
yeah,
eat.
you're hungry. You eat when you get home. I was not just filling the thumbnail. I did the thumbnail like 3 times before I finally was okay with it. Let me know in the comment section if that happened to any of you. Like, you make a thumbnail, you're not okay with it, you delete it and you make another one. So guys, I'm hungry. Like, I'm going to the shop now to pick up some fruits because tomorrow, yeah, we are going to the park tomorrow. Like, we are taking the kids to the park.
Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me more? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
Hey, cuckoo. Then hey, cuckoo. Ah, we are done shopping, guys. Everything we get. So guys, I'm back from the shop. This is my salad. So guys, I bought this bread. It's made from corn. If you have not tested this, just try and give it a taste. Like, this bread is delicious. So I'm going to be eating my salad with this avocado sauce that I made yesterday. So guys, this is lunchtime. So I just finished adding the avocado sauce and some crispy onions. Just take a look at that. So I'm going to be pairing it with my bread.
Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me?
So I just finished baking this. This is banana cake, and this one is yogurt cake. So you guys are going to be seeing the recipe. I think the recipe is going to be coming first before this vlog. Please do check it out. So I'm tired now because it's very hot in the kitchen right now. Just take a look at this building. So we are going to be taking it to the park tomorrow because we are going with the kids to the park. So they are going to be having this for snacks.
Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me
Hello guys, Eli fam, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, it's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, you can see we are all here with the family. Look at Nathan. Sama papa. Harmonie is there. So guys, we are going to the park. Yeah, we are going there to just spend our day.
The truth is a damn hard reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow.